Okay, so in today's video I just want to show you the main dashboard of WP Video Press plugin, how it works, and the easy way of embedding YouTube videos on your site and how to edit them the very simple way. Okay, so once you install your plugin, you just go to your left here and go into the main dashboard, okay, of WP Video Press. Okay, so here's your main dashboard where you'll have all the list of all the videos you have edited and the shortcode you will need just to copy and embed on any page or post of your site. Okay, so it's only one string of code with all the different options you have choose for that video. And let me show you how that works. Okay, it's very easy, it's straightforward. No one will have any problem to embed a video, edit and control all your video lists from one main dashboard. Okay, so let me show you how this works. You want to go here where it says add new, and you put any name you want here. This is how your video, so you can remember it's your video. So we'll put WP Video Press and call it demo 2. Okay, so once your name is done, what you want to do here is just copy and paste any YouTube video URL you want to see or you want to edit inside your site. So just go into YouTube and grab and copy any URL. Okay, so we'll do that right now. This is the URL you need to copy. Just copy that and go here and paste that. You can preview the video inside the main dashboard. Here, if you press play, it will just play as a normal YouTube video. As you can see, it has all the branding, the logo, the full screen, everything normally when you embed a YouTube video. Okay, so that's what we want to edit now to make it more ourselves and more unbranded in a sort of way. Okay, so the first thing you want to do here is select if you want to embed a video size with percentage or pixels. Okay, so if you want to do it, you can do it to 100%, and I'll show you that in a minute when we just embed this test. Okay, then you'll be able to select the aspect ratio of your video, and you can do it square, on standard, 4:3, or recommended. This is widescreen 16:9. Okay, we always go with that. Your video quality, you can go from small, medium, large, and then the HD options, 720. That's great. And obviously if the video has the option of a HD 1080, we'll go with that. Okay, here's where you select if you want your video when somebody goes to your page to autoplay or not. We'll put it no now, and then I'll change it to show you how this works. Okay, the show control options, this part of here are all the control options. You can just enable that to show them or not. We leave it at yes now, and then we'll change it. Show related videos. Normally when you pause a YouTube video inside once you embed a video inside your site, it will show related videos, and sometimes those related videos have nothing to do with you. Okay, and people just can click on them and go away from the site. You don't want to have that. Also at the end of videos, you'll have all related videos that maybe don't have anything to do with you or with your business, and you really don't want to lose that traffic. Okay, so I'll show you that. We'll put it at yes to see how this works and how we can change it easily inside the main dashboard here. Enable looping. This is when the video just runs and finishes. It will auto start again from the beginning. If you want, you can put that yes or no. The show information is this header you got on all your YouTube videos when you embed them. The name and the share options, that's the show information option. Enable full screen, yes or no. This is the little box here you can have. You just press that and you go full screen. We leave it at yes now, and show annotations, yes or no. This is very easy. And also the YouTube logo, yes or no, if you want it to show in your controls. Okay. The video features, I will go in deeper detail with another videos. You can scroll below and watch them there, and I'll show you one by one how you can engage and use the engagement effects with any kind of video. Okay. Also the thumbnail scroll option, and obviously the great feature of video frames. Okay, this is the best part. I'll show you at the end of this how this works. Okay. So let's go by now. Once you got your settings done and you think it's okay, you just want to go here and press publish as any normal WordPress, and you'll get your video code. Okay, so you can just copy from here, or you can go back to the main player list dashboard. This is exactly the same code we just copy. Okay. So you have two options. You can grab it there. I normally grab it here. It's easier. Okay. And here's when you just copy this. You go into the pages option now, and you grab any. This is one of another product of mine. I'm just using this as a test. Okay. So let's grab this and change our code. Just copy there, and let's update this. And let's view the page now that our video has been embedded. Okay. As you see, it's only one string of code, straight, easy, in any page or post. All the editing is done on your dashboard. Okay. You don't do anything else here. So here as you see, the video has been embedded as we decided. It's not autoplating. You have to press play, and once you press play, you see the control options appear. The YouTube logo will appear. The full screen option will appear, as we have said before. Okay. And as you see it, I pause the video, and here are all related videos that come up. And if you have a member site or content you want to see, clients you don't want people just clicking away from your main web page back to YouTube. Okay, so that's something you will like to change. So let's change that in our options here, and I'll show you how. Just to show you how this works, if we put it to a 50%, we'll see how this video shrinks. So let's put autoplay to show you how it just autoplays when you have it selected. Let's take the controls out, put it no, and I'll show you how. And let's take away the related videos. Okay, so when we pause, we don't have any related videos inside our site. Okay, let's take away the full screen enable, show annotations no, and logo. Let's take the logo also. You just change that as you want, and you update, and then what you have to do here is just refresh your page, and let's see if the changes we've just done are reflected, and see how it is. Okay, the video has shrunk to a 50% as we decided to put here. The video has just autoplay, and as you see, I've just pressed pause, and there are no related videos here anymore. Okay, as you can see, the control bars, there's no YouTube logo or full screen option. Okay, so see how the video goes. Maybe I want to change the size of this and make it a little bit bigger. Let's go let's taste the pixels, and maybe you want to go 640. Just update and refresh the page and see how this changes. Okay, so see how easy it is for you to just change and you don't have to deal with any strange code inside your pages or inside your posts. You just do all the editing of the video settings inside your main dashboard with this plugin. Okay, so see how easy it is, and how you can just change things very fast without having to deal with code. Okay, so anyone can do this. Anyone can embed videos on their web page from now on. Okay, there's no way people can make it wrong. So just to show you how easy, maybe you don't want this video and you want any other related video, so just to show you how quick it is, let's see, maybe you want this video to show on your, so just copy, let's just copy the new video URL from YouTube and change it here. Let's paste that and preview to see if it's correct. As you've seen, we change, we just update our changes. Let's see, let's refresh our page and see if the changes have. And you see the video will autoplay and will change. Okay, so we have a new video now working in our site, and you see it was so easy to do. Okay, with just one string of code we were enabled to make these changes. Okay, so that was the first video. Please scroll down and see the different demos we'll put together and show you the different features we got on how to edit and have great effects with your viewers. Okay, and I'll show you how great this plugin is and how you will be able to embed any kind of video and an easy way. Okay, so thanks for watching. Okay, in this video what I want to show you is once you got all your basic settings for your video done, I want to show you how the main video features of WP Video Press work. Okay, so the first one I like to test and show you how it works and how you will be able to engage your message to viewers is the full screen video feature. Okay, so how this works, just click here and you'll see other options will pop up. What you want to state here is in the exact number of seconds you want your video that's playing in your web go into full screen mode. Okay, this is a really very powerful engagement effect. Okay, if somebody's watching a video inside your site and at certain point you want to point out something important on that video and you just go into full screen mode with that message at that point of the video, it's really powerful. Okay, and it is really engaging with your viewer in a very powerful way. Okay, so let's make a test and show you how it works, and you'll see how easy it is to set up. Okay, so let's say that I want to go into full screen mode at 5 seconds into the video, and I want this to be 10 seconds long. So I'll tell the software to enable normal control mode at 15 seconds. Okay, so let's make these changes, update, and we'll see if they make effective. Okay, so let's now just update our web page. We got a so there our video just runs and wait 5 seconds, and as you see, there we go, full screen mode. Okay, 5 seconds into the video once it goes play, and then in second 15, as you see, it goes back to the normal view of the viewer. Did you saw that? Just let's try to do it again. I'll change the settings of the timer so you're able to see it better. Okay, so we're gonna go into full mode, 10 seconds, and we only want that for 3 seconds to happen. Okay, so let's update changes. Let's update our page and see what happens when we get to the 10-second mark. Okay, so let's watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom, there we go, full screen, and only for 3 seconds, and we go back. Okay, so you can edit and you can set this effect as many seconds as you want with your viewer and show the exact message you want or the importance of the message. And we also added here a great feature, that's the volume feature. If you want to really point out a message, it would be great to have it at 10. Okay, you could put it down if you want, but I would recommend put it in. The higher the volume, the better the message gets to the viewer, and that's how the effect is done. Okay, so just think how powerful this feature is. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Okay, so in this next video I want to show you the next features we got, engagement features we got here at WP Video Press plugin. So let's go to now to the resize with content option. What this will be able to do is show you how, using this feature at certain point in your video, you'll be able to resize your video image and show some content. Okay, so just to engage your viewer and make them click in some button or buy button or download button, or maybe it's an opt-in you want to use, and you can use any kind of HTML option. Here what we're going to do is we're going to set the feature starting at 5 seconds and ending at 15 seconds, because that's the point, for example, in our video when we think our viewer will engage and will press or buy our product, and we'll use a JP2 buy button here to make this test. Okay, so just go here and we'll paste this code, and you see it's a buy button there. Okay, so once everything is set up and we put, I want it to go to the maybe to the right of this video. Okay, so let's see how that goes. Let's remember, always update when you make any changes, and then as you see, our page is always the same with a shortcode and never changes. We just refresh and we see what we'd edited before. Okay, so let's count to 5 seconds and see how this video resizes and our buy button appears at the right. Okay, now you see that the video goes a little bit smaller and you got a buy button and it's clickable, and it's redirecting to the order overview of one of our products. Okay, so see how powerful that is. Okay, and you can use any kind of HTML code here. You can have an opt-in or a download link. Just think of anything you can have in HTML, make appear, and you can have it going on the top, on the right, on the left of the video. Just sky is the limit. Okay, let's make another example with the same feature. Let's delete this and let's make a test. just go on to Google and make anything, logo, search. Let's grab an image from the web, anyone, say this Fanta logo. View this image, just grab the link of this image, go into the editor and paste. I wanna make this a little bit smaller to make it fit, and just inside the editor you can just link this image to any web page. Okay, so there's where maybe we could put something here like, I don't know, click here. Let's see how that shows up in our editor. Okay, we got any image from the web, some text, and our engagement effects of a resize at 5 seconds, and see how that goes. Okay, let's update, and you can change anything inside HTML, so it can be an image, an opt-in form, a download link, whatever you want. Okay, so let's now refresh our page, see what happens now at 5 seconds with our video. It starts, that's what, 5 seconds, and boom, there it is. Click here please. Okay, let me check that. I don't know why I'm not able to click them. Maybe I didn't put, that's why. See that now? Yeah, it seems to be okay now. Let's see if I can click the image now and be redirected to bing.com this time. Okay, so let's see if it works now. So let's wait the 5 second mark, and there's our image. Click here please, and as you can see, if I click there, boom, I go to Bing. Exactly what I wanted. So see how powerful it is, and using HTML with video, and how this engagement effect could be very, very powerful. Okay, so also sky is the limit here. That's what you're gonna be able to do. Okay, so let's go to the next feature, and I'll show you how this one works. Okay, this is the lock content in shortcode. It's important here. Let's delete everything we have here in our HTML box. This is a cool feature for, let's say you got a member site and you want people to view your video without watching or viewing any content before they do watch the video. Okay, so you want that content appear at the web at a certain point, not before your viewer has watched the video or whatever you have to tell in the video. Okay, so this is where this feature comes in place. Okay, so let's say I have a video running, and at 7 second mark I want some X content to be published on my web. So let's see how this works. Let's grab any content, dummy text or whatever. I just grab from wiki some nature text here, just paste it down here, and what you have to do now is you need to copy this new shortcode. Okay, and you want to put that just below your video shortcode. Okay, so just copy there and update the page. Remember always to update your video setting and then let's refresh the page and see how this one works. Okay, so at 7-second mark we should be able, as you see, the page doesn't have any content at all. It's only a video running here. And let's see what happens at 7 seconds. Boom, there we are. Do you see that? There's all the content I put on my HTML editor, and at 15 seconds it just disappears. Okay, so just imagine whatever you want to put there, and at the point you want inside any video, you want your viewer to watch that. So that's how that feature works. Okay, but please remember, you need to just copy this content link into your main page to make it work correctly. Okay, so thanks for watching, and let's go to the next video. Okay, let's go to our next video. I want to show you here a very important feature, and I'm sure you'll make good use of it with this plugin. Okay, and it's the show thumbnail on scroll. And what's the meaning of this? Let's enable this, and let's say you've got a video or on any page with content, and if people don't watch a static video and they want to start reading your content, and this is a very great feature, okay, because they'll be able to read your content while your video keeps on running on the page. Okay, so let me show you how this works. Put yes here, then select where, in what corner you want your video thumbnail to be playing, and that's it, you're done. Okay, so let's say you've got a page with some content, and let's scroll down and see what happens. Let's update this, and let's now update our page. See what happens. Okay, we have a video, and let's see, when you scroll down the video, it goes to the corner. We preset that. Okay, so I can be reading the content in the page, and while I'm reading the video, it's running on the left. Okay, so think how powerful this could be, and how you can engage with your viewers and your clients. Okay, while they're reading the content, let's say on a review page, for example, your video is also running at the side. Okay, so this is quite cool feature, and when you go to the top, it goes back where it is. Okay, so let's make some changes and see how that looks. Okay, and let's say you want it on the bottom right of the page. Let's see what happens if we put it there. Let's update. Let's refresh, and if we scroll down now, you see the video has changed from the top to the bottom. Okay, so you select where you want the video running, and see how cool this is. The video is running. You can pause it there and play later while you're reading. See how cool this is. I really like this feature. It's very useful, and when you have tutorial videos and people can follow along just reading and watching, it's a great tool. Okay, so let me show you now something very cool, and how you can enable and use different features at the same time. So this time we're gonna have the thumbnail on scroll enabled, and I want to resize at a certain point in the video. say put it at 7 seconds with some content on the side, on the thumbnail. So let's see if we can combine both together at the same time, and let's see if it works. Okay, so we can resize our video to, let's say, a 40%. Let's go and grab our buy button from JVSoup, but it could be any HTML code. Let's see, go here and paste that. And let's just make it a little bit shorter. There we are, let's try it there, okay? We got our image, a buy button, and let's see at 7 seconds what happens. Let us update. Refresh our page and let's see what happens. Okay, the page starts. Let's scroll down and just see what happened in 7 seconds. Boom! Did you see that? How we combine? And if I press here, I go to my sales page, order. Isn't that cool? How I combine the thumbnail feature with log content. Think how powerful this could be, okay? And it could be anything, okay? It's a buy button now, but it could be an image, a download link, or whatever you think it could be. And think how powerful that could work for you, okay? So these are not static features, they are dynamic, and you can combine them together and play around with the plugin, okay? So, okay, thanks for watching, and let's make a last video, and I'll show you all we have to do with frames, okay, with dynamic frames, and I think this is the coolest feature of all the video, okay? Thanks for watching. Okay, for this last video I've left the best, okay? I think this is the most powerful feature of all the engagement features we watched together in WP Video Press, okay? I've been in the IM world for many years and I've never seen a plugin or a software that could be able to do this without extreme coding and searching in the web to make this possible, okay? I can tell you I bought many products from $49 to $99 or $200 to get video frames on my video embeds when I have on my websites, okay? It looks great. Viewers, it's not the same when you just embed a video. You have no frame matching whatever content or on your web page. The difference is huge, and I've tested this for many years, and conversions skyrocket when you use frames on your videos. It looks much nicer, and for sure I was looking for a product and I was not able to find it, so this is why I did it for myself. I've developed this for me, okay? So what is all about with video frames and dynamic frames? Many people use backgrounds sometimes and then they put their videos on top of that backgrounds, and it looks great, but the problem with that is that depending on the browser you watch the video, sometimes the background gets moved, or the video size is smaller or bigger, and the frame on the back is a static image. So at a certain point, if you decide to just resize your video bigger or make it larger or smaller, you will also have to resize the background to match your video, if you understand what I say. It's not dynamic and doesn't move with your changing the video size in automatic mode, okay? So you have to do several things. It's a waste of time. and I've been doing this for many years now, and I think this is the greatest feature of this plugin. So let me show you what it's all about and how you can take advantage of this. Okay, so if you go to this web page, wpvideopress.com/frames, you will be able to see we put together more than 150 different video frames you can use and adjust to any type of video. Okay, so just scroll down and you'll be able to see all the frames we've managed to put together. Okay, you have with computers, with phones, with different styles, with colors and width, sometimes with frames with big or medium or large. You see, it's all different colors. Just go see the number you like the most and then put it to your video. Okay, for example, in this video that we're watching, it has water and has to do with nature, so I will go with something blue, like number 99. So let's test that and see how it works. Go here, select number 99, and you see it's that one with a blue frame. Let's see how it, when I update, let's see how that looks. Let's go to our page now. And yes, you see the frame exactly matches the height and width of this video. Okay, as you see, it has a shadow on the back, really cool. It looks much nicer. So let's see if I increase a little bit. Let's say I go to 900 pixels, and this is what I mean with dynamic. I just move that, and the border frame will adjust to that change also. So that's why it's dynamic, and it's no code or difficult code involved. It just adjusts, as you see, to the video change I do. Okay, see how cool that is. It looks nice, it's blue, and it matches my video and my content. Okay, and this is just a demo video testing. Okay, so you can just imagine whatever you can do here. So let's test this with a smaller video. Let's see, we'll go to 300 pixels and see how that looks. Let's refresh now, and boom, you see the frame matches it, whatever size I put. That's really cool feature. I can tell you there isn't many softwares or plugins out there that can do that, and with the ones I found, they are not dynamic, they're static on certain width, and you can't move from that. And as I tell you, they're charging like 49 or 99 for maybe 10 or 12 different frames. Well, we put together here more than 150 frames for you to work. Okay, so go and scroll the page, watch all the different alternatives. I'll be uploading more in the next days, so I'm for sure we'll have more than 200 when we finish this. So let's make a last change. Let's see that one with blue, 149, and see how that looks. And as you do, you just change the size of the video. You go and select the frame you want. 149 is the one I want. Let's see. You can preview it here. That's cool with the bubbles. It looks like it could be like water. Let's see, let's update this and see how it looks. Let's refresh and see how cool that is. Great frame, matches my video. How cool is that? It's great. It's one of the most wonderful features I ever have. I used now this plugin for me and for my videos, and I really engage with my viewers with this kind of border frames I've got together. I hope you like it. So, well, this is the end of the demo videos, and thanks for watching.